Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can switch your vehicle motion clue in automatic and vehicle. So you can do it by the same steps I can show you. Go to your iPhone settings and then go to accessibilities. There you will find motions, click on that and then go to vehicle motion clues, click on that and then you will see the third option over here, automatically in vehicles. Once you turn this off on, you will get these dots when you are connected with your car or like that. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.